How to remove passcode from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option. You will then be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode. So go ahead and enter your current password of your iPhone and scroll down and you will see the option for turn off passcode. Tap on that and you will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode for verification. Once entered, a confirmation pop-up will appear, so tap on the turn off option, and with this, you will be required to enter your Apple ID password. So go ahead and enter your Apple ID password and tap on the turn off option on the top right of your screen, and with this, the password will be turned off successfully. So this is how you can turn off or remove passcode from iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.